working on a 2015 Freightliner Cascadia. The Mcm Cpc Tcm not going active, not connecting with the computer. Truck not turning on, not starting. And I found the relay. Found the relay is not sending signal to this fuse here for CPC and MCM. Tried to swap the relay, didn't work. Then I found there's a wire 439A coming from all the way from Mcm cab to the power distribution box. It's not giving a signal to the relay, and that relay not sending the power to the MCM and CPC fuse. So I found a lot of water damage, water contamination, corrosion buildup. This plug was full with the water. I cleaned it out. You can still see that green stuff there. And when I pull out the wiring harness, I found the X19 plug from the SAM cab, also in the same condition. You can see a lot of water damage in there. And there might be water getting onto the top of the SAM cab and damage the SAM cab. But to make sure, we're gonna clean these plugs, clean all the pins, and put it back and see if it works. We're gonna have to notify the customer that he may have to change the SAM cab if it's available, or we can try to clean these out and try to make sure they're all corrosion cleaned with a spray electric cleaner, and put some dielectric grease. That might help. We'll see. But that was the cause. If you guys stuck with any fault like this, the MCM Cpc Tcm not getting power, you can start from here. Pin 18, plug X19 on the SAM cab. The plug X19 is the second plug here, the middle one. Hopefully that will help you out. Thank you. So I found this wire that I tracked from my power distribution box. This wire was damaged, so that's why the truck wasn't starting. I bypassed the relay. It started fine, but it wasn't shutting down. So I want to fix it. I don't want to leave it like that. So that's why I tracked the wire from all the way from that side. Remove this top cover. This wire was damaged. So hopefully after fixing it, it will start and stop fine. All working now. Put the new plug. I had one from the old harness. I'm gonna take it around, put the insulation back in, and put the cover back in, and see if we get to go. Hopefully that'll help you out a little bit.